Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be trying to decorate this Christmas tree. I've never decorated a Christmas tree before. I actually bought this Christmas tree last December, and I attempted to put it up, but I was like, I'm not gonna be here, so I didn't see the reason to put the Christmas tree up. So however, I didn't put it up. So this year I won't be going to Jamaica, sadly, very sadly, but it's okay. One of those things, you know. So I'm gonna try to attempt to put this thing up, but I think I'm missing a part, because this thing won't stand up. I think something is missing. I'm gonna have to go back to my storage area and try and find the part to make this thing stand up. So guys, I have the tree up now. That's what it's looking like. I have these ornaments that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So you already know it's a whole Dollar Tree thing. I'm gonna try and put this thing in the top as a topper, because I had this topper from last year that I got from the Dollar Tree also. But I'm not doing gold, I'm doing silver and this peachy looking color. And these didn't come like this, they came like this, and I made them like this with the fluffy material, fox fur. So I'm gonna start to decorate now. Gonna put them on and see what it looks, how it's looking, if I like it. Oh, my knee hurts. I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm just randomly placing them. So guys, this is what the tree looking like currently. The progress. This is what my tree looking like. I still have a far way to go. Yep, and all these ornaments are Dollar Tree ornaments. I found these are the things that I'm tying on it. Some of them have some glitter, so just randomly go around and tie them on a spot that I see kind of look empty. I just tie it, and I think it's making a big difference to the look of the tree. Yeah, I'm happy I chose the silver. I really like the silver. The silver kind of gives it a little pop, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, what am I even saying? I must have had too much to eat. I can't even speak. Yeah, the silver, give it that thing, yeah. Silver, give it that thing I was looking for. But that's the progress so far. I am gonna have to make that skirting for the bottom where I'm gonna put the tree on. So I'm gonna have to go back to the fabric store and get that over there and cut it in a circle and put the tree on it. And I also have my gift boxes that I'm gonna put under my tree. Up close and personal, my Christmas tree. Holy Christmas tree. It begins to look a lot like Christmas. Oh, Christmas. Oh, Christmas. It begins to look a lot like Christmas. Like Christmas. Yes, I cut this piece of, it's not so round, cloth out of the same cloth that I used to make these four things for the tree, and I'm gonna use it as the base to put the actual Christmas tree on. That's what my Christmas tree is looking like. All of these ornaments are handmade. All of these gift boxes are also made by